Welcome to another fun experiment video, and here we will black out the Windows 10 desktop. Let's start. First I am opening the task manager, then the processes, then the Windows Explorer because it is the process responsible for our desktop environment. Now I am clicking the secondary mouse button and selecting the option End a task. Now our desktop has gone. Let me zoom out and now we will close the task manager window. Now it's nothing. But all of our processes are still in the background, and because of that I'm be able to record this video. Okay, now let's get back everything to normal. But how? Now I am pressing the keyboard combination Alt+Ctrl+Delete. A screen like this will appear. Sorry for the vibrant color. Now the option Task Manager, then File, then New Task. Now I will browse for the Explorer app on the Windows directory of the C drive. Now clicking on OK will bring back everything to normal. Let's see all of these things again. Okay, that's all for this video. We are going to do more fun experiments on the upcoming videos. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.